Is that a white chocolate?
Yeah. Oh, that's
The white chocolate's really good.
So we were interested in finding ways for our students to grow their work readiness skills as well as just ability to find employment. So we started this coffee stand called Ground Control. After they've completed their barista training, they can come work for us for 12 hours a week, gain some experience, and then the goal is to hopefully find them employment out in the community after they've dipped their toe in the work and then feel a little bit more comfortable.
I have liked seeing the reaction when they've made a good coffee and a customer would say, "Thank you so much, that tastes good." Just the feedback is such an empowering moment because they learned a new skill, they were able to make it, and they were able to get feedback from a customer.
I can see the success with our GED rates have increased. I would also call success the students that are finishing the program with us and moving on to college or career pathways. They start the experience with us and then we're actually following them and watching what's next and actually finding jobs out in their community. That's the success to me.
It's just that hands-on thing that you could just start doing and get that experience. And especially because a lot of jobs nowadays require experience like this. And I think giving that opportunity to the students is really great and will make it a lot easier for them to get employment in the future.
Starting this off as like an opportunity for students to get some training, now we're taking it as far as we can go.
Whatever path will help them be successful, we want to find that opportunity to offer that.